called Goo Goo Galaxy.
Called Goo Goo Galaxy. I open it. It comes with a spoon and a bowl. I don't know, I can take this out. And we got it open. It comes with the doll with the stand, the bottle, a sticker so we can put on the bowl, and a spoon, a binky, and
A passport.
and powder and glitter. So
Alright.
let's do it. So let's put the water in. Making a big mess. The powder. This. And the glitter. Now we mix it up like this. And then it goes sticky.
We finished the slime.
Now we can feed the baby. I'm feeding the baby now. I did it. Take it out. My baby fell down. And look at the mess he made. Now we wouldn't put some.
So we filled it up again.
So we filled it up again so we can fix it now. Ew. Okay, today we're ew. She threw up.
She threw up. You want to take her out of the stand?
Ew. Ew. She's throwing up. Ew, that's gross. Ew. Yeah. Today, me and baby we're doing stuff, so we are going to go outside and play.